there! Today we are going to be going over central idea. Now we've reviewed this a few times, so this should all sound very familiar. So central idea. The central idea is what the story or text is mostly about, right? So I'll give you an example here in a moment, but let's just go over this little poster. So the central idea is the point the author wants you, the reader, to understand. So what is the story mostly about? So remember, when we think of central idea, we also think of informational text. Informational text are books that have real information, true facts, right? Like the moon. If you read a book about the moon, what is the central idea? The moon. All right, here's an example of an informational text. This book is all about elephants, okay? All these facts, pictures, everything about elephants. So just by me telling you that, I'm showing you a few pictures, and I'll point out some things. Elephant facts, where do elephants live, the Asian elephant, elephant fact, young bull elephants play fight with each other. I keep saying the word elephant over and over, and I keep seeing pictures of the elephant. So just by doing that, the central idea, I think the central idea of this book, Elephants, is going to be mostly about elephants. And I see all these details. Details are the little things that details are the little things that in the text that help you figure out the central idea. So the words, pictures, sentences, those are details. And those little things help me figure out the central idea, which is elephants. So let's go ahead and keep reviewing. So look at the title and pictures, which we did, elephants, and I showed you some pictures. Details. I told you a few things. Elephants are large mammals. Elephants protect themselves from the sun by finding shade under the trees. Elephants greet each other by touching with their trunks. So those are all details I just told you, okay? And that's a good clue that what we're about to read is all about elephants. So here's another little clue. Look for words used again and again. And what word did you keep hearing? Elephants, okay? So that's just a quick little review over central idea, okay? Remember, central idea is what the story is mostly about. We usually find central idea in informational text, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this little review over central idea.